Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing. So to start, you need to open your phone settings. Now, once you're on settings, scroll down to notifications, then open notifications. Then from here, scroll down and look for WhatsApp. Open it. And from here, make sure you allow notifications for WhatsApp. So make sure you toggle allow notifications on, just like so. And make sure you check lock screen, notification center, and banners alerts. Now, next, what you need to do is to go to WhatsApp and open chat notifications. Then check if it's muted. So open a chat. So click their name at the top. Then from here, scroll down to notifications and make sure mute notifications is turned off. You can also swipe it to the right side, click on more, then click unmute if it's muted. Next, you need to also check if do not disturb is turned on. So if it is turned on, make sure you turn it off. And that's it. That should fix your problem. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.